Guys, I had to go to gate B43 and I am landing here at B34. Wow. वो तो अच्छा हुआ. I was just sitting and watching the status of my flight. तो उसमें इधर लिखा हुआ है कि go to gate B43 and look where did I land. It's B34. Wow. Proud of me. Wow. आई नीड टू रश. मुझे जाना पड़ेगा गेट नंबर B43. एक्साइटमेंट में, नर्वसनेस में अक्सर हो जाता है और मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all my dear debutants, hi, my name is Srishti Shah. Thank you so much for dropping in and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. So, I am back and it feels so good to be back, and it's been really long that I have shot a video that I had to put on my channel, and this is because I was traveling and shifting here for a while, and I love traveling by the way. So जैसे ट्रैवलिंग का टॉपिक हमने छेड़ ही लिया है, तो आई थॉट दैट क्यों ना मैं अपनी जर्नी जो व्हेन आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम लंदन टू इंडिया, सो व्हाई नॉट शेयर इट विद यू ऑल. तो मैंने छोटी छोटी क्लिप्स में आई ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड दैट वाज अंडर द परमिसिबल रेंज ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटीज़. तो मैंने कुछ चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड की हैं एंड व्हाइल आई वाज मूविंग हियर. तो I hope you all enjoy this video, and this is a very impromptu because I thought to surprise my parents on a one fine day for my birthday, because why not. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Hey guys, so today is 16th of January and this vlog has an abrupt start. I'm very sorry because I decided that I want to go India for my birthday, and this was decided just 2 minutes back, literally 2 minutes back, and right now it's 12:21 and I have booked a COVID test for myself which is at 12:45. so मेरा दिमाग में चल रहा है क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं. I was just asked to go to my uncle's house, and so am I going, and this was an immediate sudden plan. So मुझे पता ही नहीं था क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं, बट अचानक मेरे मन में ये आइडिया आया और सॉरी और मुझे बस आई थॉट कि आई वांट टू गो इंडिया फॉर माई बर्थडे. सो अभी मैंने कोविड टेस्टिंग बुक कराया है मेरे लिए. मैं नाइट ड्रेस में मेरे पजामा इसमें थी और अभी भी हूँ. मेरे बाल का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. और मास्क लिया, पासपोर्ट लिया एंड आई एम रनिंग बिकॉज अगर मैं लेट हो गई तो हो गया.
This all began on 13th of January when my parents called me up and they said, we are sending you tickets for your birthday. Why don't you come here and just celebrate? Because they were very emotional. They said that we've never celebrated the birthday without you, so we want you to come here and celebrate your birthday. But then I said that I don't want to come, and I've given this reason, that reason, that I cannot come. How will I pack and how will I get my COVID test done? It's 9 o'clock in the night and I have to run for to catch the flight tomorrow, and all the reasons I've given them. So they were very disappointed. They didn't tell me, but I could feel that they were disappointed that so and so reasons are happening and I could not be here. And then I was literally I had no intention to come India for my birthday or to stay here for like long, but then I have an uncle over there, and thanks to him, by the way, if he's watching this video. So he said that why don't you just take the next flight and you just go there. and I said that how will this be possible. It was on 16th of January that he suggested me that you should go and I'll plan out things for you and I'll help you out. If you want to go, you can tell me. So on 16th of January I just booked a COVID test, and I just went there, and after all the COVID test was done, I was just waiting for my results until, and as soon as at 4:30ish I got a message from the NHS authority that I have been tested negative. I quickly started to book the tickets for my London to Bombay journey and international flight, and I just booked the tickets, and then I was supposed to book the domestic ticket for my arrival in Surat. And my mom was calling, my dad was calling, everybody in the family was calling, that because it was one fine day that they used to call me every day at that point of time, and I was so stressed that I could not handle their phone calls. And because of all these things that happened to me, गलती से मैंने 22nd of January की टिकट बुक कर ली थी इंस्टेड ऑफ 18th of January. ये ब्लंडर हुआ था. मेरे साथ इतने ब्लंडर्स हुए हैं. मैं गलत गेट पे पहुंच चुकी थी, मैं गलत फ्लाइट बोर्ड करने वाली थी, मैं गलत टिकट बुक कर ली थी मैंने, एंड बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल था. मम्मी फ़ोन कर रहे हैं, पापा फ़ोन कर रहे हैं, मेरा भाई फ़ोन कर रहा है, मेरे कज़न्स, एवरीबडी इज़ कॉलिंग, एंड दिस वॉज लाइक सो लिटरली स्ट्रेसफुल. एंड 5 o'clock I started to pack everything. मैंने सब चीज़ें इकट्ठा की. I started to pack. जैसे ही मेरी टिकट्स बुक हो गई, मैंने पैकिंग स्टार्ट करना शुरू किया. And this is the mess, by the way. The clip I'll attach that I was packing while I was packing and everything. So this was literally a mess that I created in the room that I used to live in. And फिर I got a call by 6:30 okay, be ready, from my uncle and aunt, that be ready, we are just about to start everything. ने सबने decide किया, and just a pre-birthday celebration kind they arranged for me, and we got cake, we got food, pizza and everything, और बहुत मज़ा आई.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sakshi. Happy birthday to you. How are you now? Oh.
100.
How old is she now?
She's 100 years.
19. और जादू ने पल्ला जादू. जादू?
You like it?
दीदी ना अपन?
Nah, carry on, Uncle.
Continue.
My turn.
So guys, I finally reached at the airport, and very excited and nervous कि बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट पे क्या होगा क्या नहीं, अलाउ करेंगे कि नहीं मुझे जाने के लिए, या फिर क्या होगा क्या पता. बट जस्ट होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट कि सब चीज़ एकदम अच्छे से हो जाए. इमिग्रेशन तो मेरा हो गया, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा. सिक्योरिटी चेक इन भी हो गया. नाउ आई एम वेटिंग एट द डिपार्चर गेट, जो इधर का मुझे अलॉट किया गया है. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग कि अब मेरी फ़्लाइट कब अनाउंस हो फॉर डिपार्चर, एंड देन आई विल बोर्ड द फ्लाइट. लाइव अपडेट, माई फ्लाइट इज़ गेटिंग delayed. I don't know what is happening today, but I want to go home very badly. India, and let's see now. Flight is just stuck on the airport. We are on the runway, in the middle of the runway. Don't know what's happening. But something good should happen for at least now. Hoping for the best. Peace out. Today is my birthday, and they came to me and they asked, "Is today your birthday?" And I said, "Yeah, it's
टेल यू व्हाट हैपेंड कि जिस दिन मेरी फ़्लाइट थी उसके अगले दिन, आई मीन जिस दिन मेरा प्री बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन था, आई वॉज सपोज टू फिल द इमिग्रेशन में व्हेन यू कम हियर देयर इज अ फॉर्म दैट दे गिव, इट इज़ सॉर्ट ऑफ पैसेंजर लोकेटर फॉर्म. तो आई वॉज सपोज टू फिल दैट, बट देन प्रिंट आउट निकालना था, वो भी मैं भूल गई. उसका जो पूरा प्रोसेस था वो फॉलो करना था, इमिग्रेशन करना था, सब रह चुका था. रात को 11 बजे आई डिड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एंड जब मैं मेरे घर पे कुछ सामान लेने गई तो मैं घर की चाबी भूल गई थी. एंड दिस ऑल हैपन्स, इट्स ऑल नॉर्मल. बट देन आई वॉज सो फ्रीकिंग आउट इन दैट टाइम कि फिर मम्मा ने दूसरे दिन शी कॉल्ड, बिकॉज शी वॉज सपोज टू कॉल मी. इधर और उधर का टाइम डिफरेंस इज लाइक 5.5 hours. So every day when I wake up, like I call mama in the morning, and if not in the morning I call her by at the end of the day over here, that is afternoon over there. So I didn't give a call to her, I didn't give a call to my friend, and even she was panicking out that what's wrong, why is she not picking up the phone since 2 days. And it was one more day that I was supposed to not pick up the call, and it was like 1.5, like literally like 25 to 26 hours journey, because my flight was delayed by 3 to 4 hours. So she was freaking out. My dad is he's calling everywhere, where are you, like he's looking for me. My mom is calling, and it was like havoc created to everybody of us. And but at the end, the happiness they got when they saw me, and the relief that I got when I saw them, not panicking, and they were so happy that I've just come, and the wish was fulfilled. That and I was literally awestruck at that moment that my parents are crying, the boys Tiger and Romeo, they are out of their sense, and they kind of lost their patience, and they were just trying to calm me down, and I was trying to I was like literally putting my hands on their head, and I was literally trying to calm them down. They were so happy to see me, and I was literally very happy to see them. And I got a friend who came to pick me at the airport, at the Surat airport, and thanks to him as well. This would not have been possible without a few people that I would like to thank. First of all, my uncle, who on a single call, he booked tickets for me. And then my aunt, who didn't think twice about her children, my sisters, and she came, and she was there through all the thick and thin, like from the day I decided, from the moment I decided actually that I want to go India, to me boarding the flight and constantly keeping checks on me that if I had boarded the flight, if I'm okay, if I had something, if like she literally in the morning she packed lunch for me, and she gave it, not lunch, I mean the breakfast for me, that you keep it with yourself. And to my brother, who suggested me that I literally messaged him at 11 o'clock that listen, I am planning to do this, what should I do next? And in one message he just on my one message he just replied. And so I'm very grateful for all the friends and family that I have in my life. And this is a short, not so short actually, a memory of mine that I will be cherishing forever in my life. And their reaction was worth the wait of 25 or 26 hours that I had traveled. But at the end, everything has went well, and I am loving the time. I'm enjoying in Surat, and I'm gonna miss this when I go back. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.